You know the kind nyama way you suppose for nyama na so the thing dey countryman, countrywoman. Na tori and tori day. We go knock tori for una for palaba ndamba. We go knock tori for una for palaba wait again. Countrywoman for palaba plenty human interest story the way they come for here and some small can story the way if it sweet people for 7 the year. Wait till we go start with the question we plenty people they ask now. We go start with the information. For some race way they be talk say it must have been the domo plenty. And then that is say we don't lost since 63 years today. They don't find he still there alive. In name na Audrey Backenberg. Audrey Backenberg, it be there 20 years. That way that thing happen. And then they be seeing them say don't lost this and that. Now for 1962, where that one happen. It be married and then he get 2 picking them. And then he be the stay now for Abu Babangai. Now for that side for Abu Babangai for America. For Pittsburgh, for Wisconsin. Didn't you start to tell now? A commander for that side for America. He lost since 1962. He been married with mommy for 2 picking there for Wisconsin. And then they finally they know the the court book for a massa. Say well, a woman don't disappear how? Say now because of violence and this and that. Say don't kill the woman. And then so organization there for Wisconsin really they call and say Wisconsin Missing Person Advocacy. That means say they fight for say people they don't lost when they see them back. They be don't find that woman so they talk say no we know they say the thing don't finish so. Now they don't open the matter again. They start some different inquiry. Now we sheriff in office he come through a communique for the 1st of May. 1st of May we just pass to them say Labor Day. He makes some communique. He say Audrey Beckenberg, he did 82 years today, and then they don't find he don't dey now that they don't show he say na Audrey that where they be talk say he don't lost, say sometimes don't quarter. So that remain it be chapum because 20 years married 2 pikin, master the domo he run he go. Now how many years where they 63 years before they can see now so the thing happen. For that side, for Abu Babangai, now for that side, for America, Tonton America. Una know how the thing happen now. Countrywoman. More talk another matter. This matter, una know that Malian. Where in a woman to be born 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Pekin. I count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Pekin. 1 boy, 2 boy, 3 boy, 4 boys, 5 girls. The woman born her for 1 time so. If you go born her for that side for Morocco, and then they turn a Morocco fish on Juma fish, they turn a country. And also when I like that Morocco fish plenty because it gets more higher for day. One of the chopper when I say hey, I the chop Juma fish. So now for 2021, for the 4th of May, where the man and a woman they born 9 Piki. The woman born 9 Piki with massa. Mami, the woman named na Alima Sise. 25 years that we born that Piki with 25 years. Now the hospital where he born with cesarean for that side for Morocco. They give them price, they like them, they talk plenty with them, they talk plenty with them. Now so they any man they want give price. So they don't get the Guinness prize, what they call a Guinness record for the world, for the number of picking away Ibon at one time. 5 girls, 4 boys, so pang. That woman don't need to born again, oh. But you leave that woman because if you try the next time, that woman fit born less on 12 picking for the next time. 9 plus 12. You know the number I used to say no, count up. That's 21. So 3 born. If he be less of 50 picking. So I think say that 9 picking so it correct. Don't leave up. 9 picking. Don't be seen a play. Nah, woman no. Yeah, woman strong. God make us una woman no. Any woman here we know. I hear Luna. I throw a big salute for all women them. All remake them. For born 1 picking no easy. Born 2 na mangulu ngwete. Born 3 na wahala on a palaba day. Born 4 it Trumpers castle. Born 9 That means say God dey with inside una skin. Now una be the Lord protection. Woman 9 pikin massa. Countryman, countrywoman. We will continue with our news. Our news now, we go for that side for Gabon. Wetin happen for Gabon, countryman, countrywoman. Now so Reme, when we go for Palaba election for that side for Gabon, we just pass. You know say they don't put their new president, Olengingema. His name na Nyanga Channing Zenaba. He go for election, he come on number 4 for that election. Madam Zenaba, he don't be a minister. They don't appoint him for minister for that country. If he do his small business, and then for election time, say why not? He go for election, say, if he win his own, man no. He go, he make his campaign, bam. He come on number 4. Number 4, that means say the Gabon people, they vote. He don't be a minister for entrepreneur. That means say for small business, then, petit et moyens entreprises. That means say the small affair, then, na be Madame Kwata for the now so, for the encourage Gabonese them, like he, may they continue for enter small business, they do their business them, who no, sometime tomorrow, they go be in a big industrialist them. Now so, the thing he come out for that side, for Gabon, countryman, countrywoman. Countryman. We go knock another Tory. Yes, because Tory day, we dey knock the Tory them for all our people, we dey hear we. Now which can cough that way, one can disturb me, no cough. Just take care, no can worry me. Now day for my birthday, where you want to begin worry me, say cough what enter me. Me the cough, look out. Yeah. Omai hear me now, they just say, you the holla cough. Cough don't do you wait to the holla is stay, you go begin holla for that place. I go for holla because you for respect me. Master, cough give for respect me. If you cough no respect me, we go do now for the una understand the matter. But we talk palabandambana, countryman, countrywoman. Some video there where we don't see him. Where it show president for Cameroon Football Federation, Samuel and Oitofis. He don't go visit the headquarter, new headquarter where they try for refurbish for Feka Foot. He don't go, they don't show you all the different offices, them up, down, the way they do the work and that. And then apparently, very soon, Feka Foot go come over Chinga. He go na wada. Na so they talk am na so the thing it won't happen. So Feka Food he go for wada very very soon. All man for Chinga go come out. Tout le monde a wada. Na for France the way I talk that one. That boy they do the work fine. I see they play the way the thing they clean. That means say it will be a very good thing. That means say the befitting structure for federation. Cameroon Football Federation. We don't say hotel for that side for Oja, they're already ready. Hotel for Feka Food, don't ready for Oja already. So the headquarters we're not ready too. It will be a fighting for actors and for football, for ya. Countryman, countrywoman. And another Tory. Secretary General for Colombe Sportif for Ja Elobo. He don't make some small talk. Inside that Tory, he say he glad for the 3-point way they get for that side from Buda. Column for Ja and Lobo we gave for play Bambutus from Buda. Una remember say Oga kwata for Bambutus from Buda. Be send letter for Feka Foot talk say they so no na be talk say they no go play championship again. Say they want play, they continue for play. Now so they don't program, don't match. Column don't come up for here for Douala because they can't stay for Douala before they go for that side from Buda. They enter for Buda, they for match, they go for fee. Est-ce que Bambutus be there? Bambutu player, they no be there them for fee. So, referee the way they did for that match, they say they give 3 points for Colombe for Ja Elobo. Now, Secretary General is say he be very happy for the 3 points. They don't come play. Unfortunately, they don't play. But what to be important are the 3 points, and they're happy for the 3-point way. They get them for that side from Bunda. Countryman, countrywoman, Tory Day, Cameroon, go play number, Indomitable Lions. Una know say some Tory be don't come out, what did it happen? Before, why they say they never organize friendly match with the Indomitable Lion them? Since long time, they go up, they come down, they never organize them because say they want to talk their own thing. Now minister don't do this, now Fekafu be supposed to do that. It don't come. Now information don't come. We say Cameroon go participate very soon for some international tournament. I talk about Indomitable Lions, man. They go participate for some international tournament for Morocco. They go play against Morocco. They go play against Chad. They go play against Equatorial Guinea. They go play against Burundi. So now the country in that way they go take part for that international competition where it can start small time. Other one I walk to for that side for federation for football. May they continue so people they will know say it wrong. We know say they did wrong. We know say query over day. We know say finance law they don't change them. We know all that thing them. When I say my way supposed to do it work, may do it work. Come what may try for do it work. So Cameroon go play against Morocco, against Burundi, against Equatorial Guinea, and against Chad for that international tournament. We will see Brian Bemedem, Baleba, Abubakar Vincent, we club don't go for second division. Ngande them, we will see Andrew Nana, other one them, the Zambo Angisa, Boyomo, Wosinu, all Cameroon players them where they active now, so they playing damba, bam 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 bam, where they understand or hope say Marco Ibriso go convoke them so that when they play that competition, they will see what it go happen and how it go happen now for measure the degree of their state of preparedness and the way they fit play for win African Nations Cup. Because African Nations Cup, it will take place to now for Morocco, countryman, countrywoman. Countryman, countrywoman. Una no, the one way the thing there, for the way it go look like, it go reach now for play with, we tell una say, we are all non correct for here. Now for here we go end this small program, countryman, countrywoman. Now so this small time again. But before I want go, una don't forget, say, I want to see my back so, and me say my belly, it did for before.